Hey.
I'll be that motherfucker.
So we disconnected the engine from the trans, and we were trying to remove the engine out of the engine bay. And we ran into a problem where the half shaft was in the way. This massive metal thing that connects to the transmission. So that thing is what was making the engine not be able to come out. So we were like, okay, we just gotta remove the axle. I heated the hell out of the nut, and then impacted it and it just came off. So then I removed the axle, didn't realize that when you remove the axle from the transmission, all the transmission fluid comes out.
Oh yeah.
And we didn't drain the transmission, so it was just all on the floor. But that's okay. Right after that, I just kind of tugged on the engine and it just popped, the splines just popped right off.
Oh yeah, no, you impacted, we were about to call it quits and you impacted it one more time. I wonder if I could get your face through it beautifully.
It's like right here. Down more. All we gotta do is just raise the engine out of the engine bay and then place it on the tires.
We swing the engine around and it all shatters into like a bunch of little Lego stuff.
Yeah.
Sean.
Like the Batman, and then it's just like.
You had a really good build sound. That was wow. That was really good. I was looking at insulation today, dude. Not that expensive. The stuff we would use, $60 a bag, and 2 bags would easily cover this whole place.
Evan in his natural habitat, the garage.
Oh, I thought I grabbed it.
Yes! Let's go, dude. Baby, we're about to get the whole picture. Wow, so that's the transition.
Nope.
You're good, you're good.
Hi, it's Editing Evan here. So as you just saw, we pulled the engine out of the Corolla. We had some issues trying to take the engine out without taking the half shaft out, and we eventually just took the axle nut off the half shaft, removed the half shaft, and then the engine just came out really easy. The main problem that we had was the axle nut was pretty on there, and PB Blast didn't work, so we ended up making our own mixture of a penetrant oil, and it actually worked very well. So we're pretty happy with the results, and from now on I think we're just going to be using that as a penetrant oil. So what we have to do now is strip down the engine. We still have to remove the alternator, the AC compressor is still attached. We have the timing cover we have to remove, we have the valve cover, so we have a lot of work to do. So essentially our plan is just to take the whole engine apart. We're going to start at the valve cover and take the head off, and then we're going to disconnect the crankcase from the block, remove the oil pan, check the oil pan to see if there's any particulates in it, remove the main caps, remove the crankshaft, disconnect the piston heads from the rods, and then pretty much just reassemble it. We're gonna clean it to the best of our ability. I got a engine cleaner in that 1 gallon jug that has the little parts bin. Our friend Graham just picked up a 1990 Toyota Celica, and that actually came with an engine stand, so we're gonna use that one. And stay tuned for that video, because that one's actually really cool. I don't have much time left on this SD card, so I'm gonna make this brief. Thank you so much for watching. The next episode should be out pretty soon. I don't have much time to edit, but when I have my spare time, that's what I'm doing. If you wanna check out my other content, I have some playlists on this channel, so you can see each of the cars that we've been working on from day one, so go check those out. You might like them. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Like the video if you liked it, I really appreciate it, and subscribe so you don't miss future content. That's it for me for now. I'm gonna get some sleep. Thanks for watching. Bye.